My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. Welcome to my YouTube channel. They're short, they're sweet, to the point, and me and my M&M man appreciate you listening. I worked at IRS over a decade. I've had many jobs at IRS. But today I want to talk to you about what happens if you have a tax audit and don't have your records. Um, it's a big subject because it happens all the time. Many sole proprietors and people that have jobs that they go at every day and they bust their butt. Just a lot of them, they're just not good record keepers. So you don't have to panic if you don't have your records. IRS will allow reconstructed records. Everyone does not keep meticulous records. God knows everyone does. Matter of fact, if you're asking me, you would ask me what percentage of people keep meticulous records. I'd say maybe 10%. What you have to do is get a hold of somebody who either worked at IRS or your accountant or a friend to put those records at least in an order to show Internal Revenue Service that in fact you have at least some records that IRS will go ahead and allow. It's easy pretty much to look at your income. You can look at bank statements if you want, or I can look at your tickets. But for expenses, you may not have them all. So what you do is you go to your suppliers or vendors and just ask them for year-ending totals and reconstruct them. So it's not the end of the world, and usually a good agent are going to allow those expenses. If not, you're going to go to appeals, and generally appeals, as long as they're within reason, are going to allow you. If you're a contractor working on a house and you have no records, but you know you may receive $20,000, well, IRS knows, everyone knows, you had to have cost of goods or stuff you had to put in that house. So a reconstruction simply means here was my job, here was what I went through to make this money, and just go to the vendor and ask them, hey, give me my yearly receipts and totals. Anyone skilled in IRS tax reconstruction isn't going to have a problem going through this. IRS may expand the audit to 3 years if they have to. As long as you have a seasoned professional, you'll be okay. So just try to start that reconstruction as soon as you possible. Sit down with someone, like I said, a skilled professional can put all this stuff on an Excel sheet, and probably you'll do a lot better than you think you will. Thank you so much for listening to my YouTube channel. I appreciate you.